So you don't know what to do for your first time gathering company items? Well, not to worry, first things first, enter the site. Once you have entered, look for some items for the company.
I'm finna take off and rap like a rocket. Hop on a yacht in Miami and surfing. With hella bitches that drinking and twerking. Don't post on stories, my shorty be lurking. Can't stop the grind for no bitch.
What?
Now that you have acquired the ultimate item, there is no need to search anymore, just show your friends.
Hey boys, look what I found. I found. Hold on. What's Ryan? What's Ryan?
Right here.
Guess what?
Whoa. Oh, no. Oh, God. I hope that gets you killed.
Sure about that? You sure about that? You sure about that?
Now just forever show them that they really like it.
Jesus Christ. Get the fuck away from me with that thing.
Hey, I can't find Ryan, so you're the next best thing. You can never escape the air horn. Oh, is it going out?
Oh, God damn it!
I knew it! What are you hiding?
Porn?
Watch him run into a trap.
Gotcha, bitch!
Got his ass!
You make him die with the door.
Bring me down here to make me come, dude? Are you trying to get me hard? Was this a setup?
No.
Where are you going?
Sad to say they didn't like it.